Lakshmikumaran Sridharan is one of the top law firms in India. We consistently handle unstructured legal advice, transactions, disputes which have several millions of dollars riding on them. Legal work has always been evolving. The number of regulatory laws, the number of case laws, the amount of information has gone up exponentially. It is unmanageable by using the old techniques. We are looking for an AI system that is going to augment our lawyers to provide scalable, consistent, and reliable advice to our clients.
To have a very secure data system as also leverage our 40 years of data, we chose to go in-house and to develop our own AI solution. Dell has been a part of our journey for the past 20-30 years, and we have always found them to be very reliable. That's the reason why we chose the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA. They were able to help us with the networking, the storage, the servers themselves, and also finding the right people, both in-house and externally, to help us deploy and develop these solutions. For us, it was a very easy option to go with the Dell PowerEdge XE9680 with the NVIDIA H200 GPUs.
AI can really bring about a change in the way we look at legal problems and solve complex problems. Routine tasks and our legal workflows are operating on AI. Lawyers are able to spend more time on adding value to the clients. Having Dell technologies along with NVIDIA GPUs and systems has given us great results. The partnership will continue to flourish as we scale our businesses into a more AI-based law firm.